Alright, Assalamualaikum everyone and a very good afternoon. I would like to wish to every single viewers that we have here today in our 7th episode of Trade Talk, powered by, of course, AMarkets. Today we have two gentlemen representing AMarkets to share with us what's new, what's exciting, what can markets offer more to our community, to traders in Malaysia, basically. So before we go further, before we talk more, before we get deeper into our topics today, of course we would like to ask you guys to, of course, subscribe to our channel CTC FM. It's free and we provide a lot of contents with the core, which is financial instrument trading. And recently we just brought up a lot of new segment as well. We have Dr. FOREX returning, and we have a couple of other podcasts in regards to people, a figure that is individuals who has name in this industry. Of course, you guys would not want to miss those out. So make sure to subscribe to our channel so that you guys won't will not be notified of when we have all these contents provided straight to you guys. And make sure also, we would like to ask you guys to click like to help our algorithm reaching more viewers and audiences, especially in the industry itself. So the 7th episode of Trade Talk, we will be together today with Denis, as well as a new face, which is Zack, and we will get to know more of him later in this episode. So if you guys do have any questions in regards to AMarkets and as well as other general stuff, if you wanted to know the opportunities that you can grab with AMarkets itself, make sure to leave your comments right here in this live segment, and we will try to answer you. We will try to help you of course, start up your career with AMarkets. So without further ado, we have two gentlemen here, two handsome, good-looking gentlemen in front of me. Of course, we have Denis and Zack. So, guys, what's up?
Hello, boy. Sehat, boy.
We have Zack here. Sehat, Alhamdulillah. How about Denis? Are you okay, Denis, today?
Hi, guys. Yeah, glad to see you again. It's been a big time without our lead podcast with my presence, but today I made a decision to join again for a while to introduce our new member of AMarkets who has joined us with our trusted team, Zack. I'm really happy that Zack joined our team, being the big professional market analyst leader in the industry.
Yes.
That operates, I hope, 12 years or even more. Yeah, 14 years. 14 years.
14 years
to
in
mention,
the industry.
Guys, it's one of the veteran of the industry who really knows how to provide really careful and trusted education and analyzing the micro trend and understand the technical analysis. So, Zack, welcome to our team, and I'm really happy that you
welcome, Zack.
today with us. Our team has grown, so this is your first inauguration because we have announced early in the morning today about Zack official joining to our team. So today we are here together. If in case you have any idea to discuss market trends or upcoming news, feel free to contact Zack. He's available.
So we can expect to see more of Zack with AMarkets in terms of the content that is produced in AMarkets social media, is it?
Yes, exactly, because at the moment we prepare a specific plan for our content generating with the different spheres and different platforms, because we really understand the power of social media, especially TikTok and YouTube here. And of course, with the reference to our main channels, we will be able to provide very frequent, very fresh and very professional materials every day, every week. And in the future, of course, we have many plans how to organize our offline event, classes with the different states of Malaysia. So follow our news, follow our trends, be in touch with our company. Many good projects are coming soon.
Yes, and of course, if you guys already followed our social media platforms such as Twitter and Instagram, so we have also tagged AMarkets official accounts on our platform. So make sure you guys go check it out and click at the tag account and follow AMarkets social media platform as well to get latest update and news from AMarket in regards to promotion, and as well as we can expect content from Zack himself and this is to help you guys with your trading plan. What do you which opportunities in the market that you can enter with the help of people from A-markets themselves. So Zack, kita what we call
macam awkward sikit. Lalu
Okay,
cakap bahasa Melayu kan.
Yes,
Jadi bahasa putih ni macam awkward sikit.
Okay, so we'll be switching between English and Malay. So right now kita nak berkenalan dengan
But it's
Zack.
okay, boy. You want to speak English also? I can speak well lah in English. It's okay.
So Zack, I think it's better for us to speak in Malay.
Sure.
Yeah, let's respect our audience more than me.
Oh, dia macam kepala dia kena reset sekejap. Okay. Alright, so mari kita bertutur dalam bahasa Melayu lah untuk memudahkan lagi kita punya segmen pada petang ni. So saya amat berminat nak berkenalan dengan Zack. Sebab position yang saya dimaklumkan ataupun ketika saya mendapat informasi, Zack adalah head analyst dekat A-markets.
Ya,
betul
betul.
tak? Okay, so boleh Zack perkenalkan diri secara ringkas terlebih dahulu?
Right, Assalamualaikum guys who are watching. Bahasa Melayu. Assalamualaikum semua.
Tak apa ya?
Siapa yang mengenai, mungkin ada yang mengenali. Sebab saya agak lama juga dalam industri ni. Sebelum ni kalau ikutkan daripada zaman 2004-2006, kita ingat ada satu fasa yang guna nama general, guna nama captain. Itu nama fakta yang dulu-dulu lah. So dulu saya dikenali sebagai Captain Zack.
Captain Zack.
So sekarang ni saya dah buang captain tu sebab zaman baru, era baru.
Untuk bunyi lebih profesional.
So it's not because of kita ni daripada military ke apa, tidak. Tapi waktu tu adalah memang zaman tu memang kebiasaan dalam trading memang guna nama tu lah kan. So sekarang ni saya dikenali sebagai Zack Zulkifli dan 14 tahun pengalaman dalam industri.
14 tahun
2008 lebih kurang lah plus minus lah, 13 ke 14 tahun lebih kurang. So sampai previously experience with a few broker juga dekat Malaysia. And then ada stop sekejap waktu PKP apa semua. And then this comeback lah. Ni orang kata comeback lah.
This is setelah ni kira rehat yang daripada PKP tu, this is your first appearance lah.
Betul.
Okay. So bila bercakap tentang pengalaman Zack yang bermula pada tahun 2008, 2009, pada ketika itu Zack baru umur berapa?
Settle up my degree kot, tengah buat degree lah.
Tengah buat degree around
2008 lah, lebih
kira
kurang
macam
lah.
degree 19 ke 22 tahun macam tu lah.
Betul.
Wah. So lepas habis degree terus
Tapi dia ada cerita best dekat sini boy.
Alright, okay.
Waktu zaman tu saya sebenarnya kita ambil course yang ada relate dengan political tau. So waktu ketika tu saya first klik saya dekat Malaysia kalau kenal nama dia Muzammel. Buat kehack lah sebenarnya. So dia lah sebenarnya niat utama adalah waktu zaman tu Facebook, Google semua dia memang susah nak cari information.
Betul.
So paling senang untuk dapat information adalah daripada FOREX community. Waktu ketika tu untuk dapatkan info mengenai luar negara punya cerita kan.
Jangan cakap frequent dekat cari goal.
Dah betul. Dia kalau orang kata zaman forum lah.
Forum.
Zaman forum cari goal apa semua kan, zaman forum. So waktu ketika tu itulah sebabnya saya terjerus dalam bidang ni, terus keluar terus bidang yang kita belajar dah tinggal terus. Terus duduk dalam bidang ni dah maksudnya.
So bila habis belajar tu, bila masuk dalam bidang orang kata trading ni lah, financial instrument trading ni, terus full time ke ataupun juggle between work lah juga?
Saya still dengan saya mechanical engineer. So duduk dalam bidang saya dalam 4 years macam tu. And then start tukar bidang yang betul-betul has a market analysis official 2014. Dan broker tu tak nak sebut dah tak ada dah pun lagi. So zaman tu sampailah sekarang. So tak ada tukar career dah. This is my career.
2014 tu kira full on yang buat semua berkaitan dengan financial instrument trading.
Betul.
Lah.
CFD.
Boleh tahu kenapa? Macam apa yang membina keyakinan untuk tinggalkan kerjaya dalam mechanical engineering tadi kalau tak silap. Apa yang buatkan membina keyakinan macam
ni nak cakap klise ke apa, tapi money lah. Everything is about money lah bro.
Correct. Correct.
Everything is about money lah. So in fact on trading itself, waktu ketika tu saya boleh dikatakan stable 2016 lah 2016 stable. In fact waktu ketika tu gaji on ini waktu awal tu adalah part time. So dia dah jadi first income dah waktu tu. So and then decide why not kita punya main career tukar je lah sekali. So main career and then dapat dalam bidang yang sama, starting with sebelum lagi pada market analysis saya jadi IB dulu. And then from the IB pun people akan datang untuk macam mana nak buat ni, and then kita dah start mengajar dah waktu tu. So waktu tu dah start mengajar and then offer by a few broker, dan terus lah on this career starting on 2014. Okay, so daripada tahun 2014 lah bila dah get serious sehingga ke yang baru-baru ni macam rehat lah sekejap waktu PKP terutamanya, apa yang cerita-cerita menarik ataupun bukan tragedi lah, peristiwa menarik yang berlaku sepanjang ketika itu. Quite interesting video sebab saya pun kena cerita, dan saya rasa dia bukan pengalaman kepada saya lah. Most of previously orang pun pernah ada pengalaman yang sama, iaitu saya fail fund manage sebelum
fund manage.
Okay, fund manage
fund manage berapa angka? 6 angka?
Ringgit 6 angka betul.
6.
Dia 6 angka dan burst in I think 2 months macam tu lah. So dalam 2 months, so saya berehat seketika untuk settle up all things, sebab bagi saya macam need to settle out this problem dulu. And then lepas settle out kita come back balik lah.
So right now ni
dah ada solution lah. Dia dah tak adalah kata totally fully settle, tapi dah ada solution lah. Kita dah ada solution how to settle it and come back balik lah.
So bila bergerak dalam fund manage ni terutamanya secara solo ataupun ada team?
Community, of course with community lah.
Community.
Dia takkan seorang lah. Dia
Captain Zack punya community lah.
jangan sebut nama tu lah. Nama tu dah jadi sejarah lah sekarang.
So sekarang dah tak pakai nama Captain Zack. So sekarang bergerak as Zack Zulkifli lah. I see. So dengan pengalaman yang bertahun-tahun ni antara soalan yang saya suka nak tanya kepada mereka, individu yang lebih daripada 10 tahun terutamanya. Saya nak tanya daripada pemerhatian Zack sendiri, apa yang paling orang kata berubah, yang paling ketara perbezaan dalam industri especially local dalam konteks lokal zaman 10 tahun lepas dengan sekarang?
People easy to trust person lah sekarang ni. Kalau nak tanya dulu pun sama juga, cuma bezanya dulu untuk sekarang ni people lebih pandai lah. Saya rasa lebih pandai untuk memilih lah. Kalau compare dulu kita tak dapat banyak info.
Betul.
So untuk sekarang zaman yang try hard untuk broker lah sebenarnya. Untuk broker, kalau dulu kita nampak broker tak ada try hard sangat, tapi sekarang ni kita lebih banyak untuk kita kena educate diorang. Kena buat, kalau tak memang susah untuk survive. So kalau nampak daripada zaman sebelum ni dan zaman sekarang, lebih kepada people punya knowledge lebih tinggi daripada yang sebelumnya. And in fact kalau kita jadi market analyst pun kadang-kadang kita rasa diperbodohkan juga kan.
Diperbodohkan semula oleh klien.
Tak, bukan, kadang-kadang bukan dibodohkan because of ni, sebab I think diorang ada ideas. So kita kena daripada knowledge yang kita ada, kita kena improvise benda tu supaya diorang nampak lebih jelas macam tu lah maksudnya.
Alright.
So as a market analyst sekarang, kalau tanya saya sekarang, saya lebih mudah sebenarnya. Sebab setakat orang datang jumpa saya, dia takkan tanya dah support and resistance tu apa, tak ada dah. Dia orang akan tanya
dia nak entry.
What happened with US? Dia dah macam tu dah sekarang. Kita nampak orang dah mula interested lah. Kita nampak, dan lebih ramai sekarang ni sebenarnya. Sangat banyak.
Macam Bob Kehek pernah kata dekat Malaysia banyak sifu.
Itu betul.
Nak cari sifu datanglah Malaysia. Kat Malaysia ni banyak sifu.
Itu tak boleh dinafikan. I think betul setuju lah benda tu. Betul. Dia buka lah mana-mana platform pun.
Betul. Macam sekarang ni dia punya challenges adalah untuk macam to differentiate ourselves.
Betul.
So and then another thing as well, dekat Malaysia ni of course kita tahu broker tumbuh bak cendawan. One after another, semua promo gempak-gempak, semua macam ada banyak team, cara diorang meresap ke dalam community kita. So apa yang buatkan Zack memilih untuk bekerja bersama dengan A-Markets?
Okay, one of the team is A-Markets is a new company in Malaysia actually. Okay, satu benda yang baru dekat Malaysia, dan cuba untuk kenal pasti. Dan kita kena faham banyak broker baru yang masuk tak boleh nak survive because of satu, diorang tak ada orang yang experience dekat dalam yang boleh bantu untuk nampak market sini more, boleh nampak kita punya culture dengan market ni boleh kena ke tak kena. So I just decide that why not I try, sebab sebelum ni saya bekerja dengan broker yang ada experience dah. Diorang dah ada orang dekat dalam marketing, diorang dah team, diorang punya department dah begitu besar. So this is satu benda yang baru untuk saya, di mana kita try lah. Maksudnya satu benda baru, challenging untuk saya. Boleh tak kita survive daripada new? Untuk market is a new company in Malaysia. In Malaysia is a new company lah, tapi dekat luar dah hampir 16 tahun. Cuma the problem is culture itself lah. Kita nak adapt culture tu, of course kena ada specialist yang ada dekat dalam broker tersebut. Dan saya rasa bukan saya seorang lah, which is Iskandar. Dia ada experience. So kita ada Amar dan sebagainya. So diorang sekali orang kata salah satu kenapa saya nampak untuk market ni pergi jauh, kita boleh okay lah, from the orang tak kenal nampak market ni, why not kita try, boleh pergi tak boleh pergi. Kalau sebelum ni kita duduk company tu gagah dah, ni kita start dari bawah, kita tengok kita boleh pergi tak boleh pergi. Macam tu lah, it's challenging for me lah. Kalau nak kata bab gaji sama je, tak ada, it's not about money, it's actually kita nak tengok kekuatan kita ni boleh pergi ke tak boleh pergi, itu je. But you guys need to know that our responsibility is not just only as a market analysis, also kita bring company punya vibe untuk bawa. So that's why markets salah satu company yang saya rasa macam I can bring, boleh bawa lah.
Dia punya the vibe that market represent tu macam comfortable. Dia macam dia ada stability yang nak ditonjolkan.
Walaupun baru, saya boleh kata dia punya working environment dia memang experience lah. Maksudnya saya rasa sangat selesa dengan cara diorang release task kepada staff dan sebagainya. Benda tu akan buatkan saya cakap, everything is tempat yang betul lah. Maksudnya task yang dia bagi pun, dia ada cara dia. Dan kalau kita nak, untuk kita yang dekat Malaysia ni, benda tu baru untuk saya. Orang kata systematic. So benda tu macam okay, because you need to know that markets previously is from Europe. So dia punya culture working of Europe kita pun tahu kan macam mana kan. Bila dia bawa kat Malaysia ni, ni satu interesting untuk saya. Okay, system ni is good. Macam tu lah sebenarnya. But the main things, macam saya cakap, I nak challenge myself, tengok boleh tak pergi. Kita boleh pergi tak boleh. Kalau tak boleh pergi, maksudnya kita kena perbaiki balik diri kita. It's not about broker, kita
kena
lah.
Reflect pada diri kita sendiri.
Kita punya issue lah.
So ni antara macam satu perkara yang saya agree dengan Zack sendiri. Apabila saya berkenalan dengan market sekarang ni dah lebih daripada 2 bulan, saya boleh nampak perbezaan yang ketara orang kata effort. Mereka willing untuk perkenalkan pelbagai jenis payment gateway. Mereka willing untuk bawa semua jenis instrumen yang boleh terfikir dek akal oleh seorang trader Malaysia ni, semuanya ditawarkan di platform market.
Mengikut cita rasa
mengikut cita rasa. Betul. Mana apa yang orang kita nak, semua mereka tawarkan. Kalau betul itu menunjukkan mereka committed. Kalau dekat luar
boy, kita cakap mana ada pernah dengar, kalau kat luar pernah dengar minimum deposit $10. Market kita bawa kan?
Bawa. Kita bawa with the culture. Sebab orang Malaysia memang nak deposit.
Adapt with the culture. Kita try to bring it. Macam tu lah lebih kurang.
So memang seperti yang Zack beritahu, seperti yang Iskandar pernah beritahu, seperti yang Amar pernah beritahu, memang stability tu ditonjolkan melalui effort yang markets bawa sendiri untuk kita punya scene, local trading community. Alright. So saya juga nak tanya kepada Zack sebagai analis, sebenarnya apa expertise Zack dalam analis?
Saya major pair specialist lah. Kalau tanya saya berkaitan dengan fundamental, currency is major lah. Dan gold pun termasuk lah, sebab dia gold tu kita boleh bagi sebahagian, walaupun dia ialah commodities,
tapi orang macam rasa tu dah
macam major lah kan. So specialist saya kat situ lah.
Tapi in terms of technicality, lebih pada technical ataupun fundamental?
Both. Saya sama. Nak tanya saya ke pasal US ke?
Boleh juga ke. Kita dah alang-alang Zack ada dekat studio CTC FM ni. Mari kita dengarkan sedikit sebanyak perkongsian daripada Zack berkenaan market outlook daripada perspektif Zack sendiri.
Alright, kita tahu daripada tahun 2022 drastic kenaikan interest rate daripada Jun 2022 sampailah sekarang hampir 11 bulan. daripada 1.75 sampailah sekarang ni, yang last update adalah 2 minggu lepas 5.25. Satu tindakan yang saya rasa bukanlah wajar, tapi mungkin ada tindakan yang Fed dia tahu apa dia nak buat untuk nak stablekan for the long term punya currency. Dan kita kena faham benda ni kita tak boleh nak salahkan Fed 100% hanya kerana 11 bulan punya release data punya 11 bulan ni. Kita terlupa tentang track record US yang sebelum-sebelum ni. Okay. Saya bagi satu fakta yang mungkin boleh menjadi tuan-tuan dan puan-puan punya tip ups for the currency US.
Okay.
Sebelum, kita jangan cakap pasal 11 bulan ni, memang dah merosot habis lah. Kita cerita pasal yang sebelum ni.
Kira 11 bulan tu 11 bulan sebelum ni.
Sebelum ni. Okay. Kita jangan dia walaupun interest rate naik 11 bulan tetapi start merosot Oktober tahun lepas. Okay. Tapi kita nak cerita pasal penerosotan, of course dia adalah efek daripada kenaikan interest rate. Dan disebabkan itu juga kita pun tahu dua bank terbesar pun tak dapat nak survive, iaitu Silicon Valley Banks and Signature Bank. So because of effect kepada interest rate. Tapi ini adalah perancangan Fed dan dia orang tahu apa yang dia orang buat. Dan bagi saya, apa yang perlu kita bincang sekarang ni adalah lebih kepada shilling debts yang sedang negotiation sesi negotiation yang kita nak tunggu jawapan dia apa. Dan kita mengharapkan tidaklah berlaku benda yang bad, bermaksud yang seperti semua orang tahu start daripada September tahun lepas, semua pakar analisa mengatakan mungkin akan berlaku US financial crisis. Kita tak nak benda tu terjadi dan mengharapkan untuk negosiasi antara US dengan negara-negara yang lain ataupun berkaitan dengan debt ceiling ni, kita mengharapkan satu keputusan baik lah untuk US. Okey, fakta ni lupa. Sebelum ni US merupakan, kita bukan panggil antara tau, kita panggil merupakan negara yang paling terbaik kalau nak dibandingkan dengan G7. G7 ni 7 currency terbesar di dunia.
Okey. Antara ahli G7 adalah Germany.
Kita US, UK, France, Canada, Japan, Jerman and Italy.
G7.
G7. So ada 7 currency ni. US merupakan negara yang paling baik untuk yang control inflasi diorang hanya menggunakan economic data dan juga interest rate. Paling baik saya kita cakap bukan antara, dia paling baik. So kita tak boleh, daripada track record yang ada pada US ni, kita tak boleh nak letakkan satu beban kepada US. This is will be happen de-dollarization. It's not memang takkan jadi
de-dollarization
iaitu yang orang fikir sekarang because of Brexit issue, because of that shilling. So kalau nak kata paling dekat boleh terjadi pun mungkinlah US financial crisis yang akan macam berlaku 2008. Itu ialah paling teruk. Tapi kalau nak kata replacement of reserve, kan saya macam-macam dengar sebab terlampau banyak sifu kan. So replacement of reserve currency lah, de-dollarization lah, is not benda ni benda bukan benda kecil. Okay, so kita kena lihat kepada backtrack of US dollar. Dan saya yakin kalau tengok daripada DXY punya detail, kita tahu dia dah tak drop lagi pun below than 100. Okay, still lagi dalam fasa yang sepatutnya US kena do something untuk mengukuhkan US dollar. So di sikit pandangan berkaitan dengan US.
Berkaitan dengan US, dari cara Zack bercakap seperti anak buah Jeremy Powell
Alamak.
So guys, ini orang kata snippet ataupun teaser kepada apa yang tuan-tuan dan puan-puan boleh dapatkan apabila tuan-tuan dan puan-puan follow social media platform AMarkets, kerana Zack akan menjadi muka hadapan untuk analisa-analisa daripada AMarkets. So make sure you guys follow social media platform AMarkets. Kalau tak jumpa, boleh pergi ke Instagram CTC. Kita dah tag account official AMarkets. So make sure you guys go and follow AMarkets untuk dapatkan konten-konten seperti ini. Kita bila bercakap pasal analisa ni, kita tak boleh semata-mata cakap pasal teknikal. Bila cakap pasal fundamental ni, kita dapat lagi visi yang clear mengenai apa yang sebenarnya menggerakkan pasaran di belakang. Kalau kita tengok chart ni macam naik turun. Apa sebenarnya yang buat chart ni naik turun?
Tapi ramai sebenarnya kalau siapa yang kat dalam ni, saya rasa satu simple thing lah. Sebenarnya fundamental dia adalah big direction kepada technical lah. Dia bawa satu big direction. Kalau kita tinggal memang jahanam lah.
Betul?
Jahanam.
So you guys, especially kepada peminat fundamental make sure follow AMarkets punya social media platform. Okay, so saya rasa dah banyak berkenalan dengan Zack ni, dah banyak kita bercerita dengan Zack ni. Okay, so apa kata kita kembali semula kepada Dennis. So Dennis, I think you made the best decision of hiring Zack. He seems so enthusiastic and the energy that he brings definitely gonna spike up the interest towards A markets itself.
Yes, exactly. Because we have done many candidates and many interview has been done before with other guys. That's why based on our principles and based on our philosophy of A markets to deliver the high quality product and transparent condition. That's why we were thinking to find the best person who will help our newcomers or our existing clients to get more professional information related to the real trading, related to the education, or some kind of understanding how the market works, how to work with the different assets, of course, major pairs, indexes, XAU, USD. And that's why from many candidates, we made decision to work with Zack, and now we go ahead for the long story with many projects in future, and I'm sure it will be a really successful case.
Yes, of course. I think it's a good sign for upcoming A markets project, having someone who is as energetic as Zack in A markets team. Okay, so we also would like to talk about any new things coming from A market as well. So last time Iskandar told us about the promotion that you guys are having in May, such as the 20% commission discount for ECN. If you would like to elaborate again in regards to that, Denis.
Yeah, sure. This promotion becomes very popular right now, and we got many positive feedback from the clients who really become more mature, who really trades with bigger amount of funds, but this is the price they pay and this is the service they got, for the ultra fast execution with the 0.03 milliseconds and with the highest leverage that can even be in the market, and we provide it even on ECN account. It's not exception. Even XAU USD is not exception in this case. So you can test your strategy. And of course, by understanding of this case, we made decision to support our traders who trade with deposits bigger than, let's say, $500 to give some kind of discount on the ECN commission. So that's why it becomes much more lucrative in terms of the potential of the profitability and successful result. This promotion will end at the end of May, and we still monitoring the newcomers who test our ECN technology through the ECP and STP technology, and we're really happy to get positive feedback. And also, you maybe remember that 2 weeks ago, approximately, we have made a ceremony of awards of our Ramadan competition.
Would you like to share?
It was a really great ceremony with the positive reviews, with the real winners who came to attend our event in Goldbangi Resort. This is our place where we made the ceremony of awards. And right now we still getting happy feedback from the clients who trade with their prize fund or who easily withdraw their prizes and they use it for the personal issues, for the families or for their lifestyle, or just to reinvest this money to trade more, to get more potential profitability cases because the margin becomes bigger. And based on this, I made a decision to plan another
offline event, like unique competition.
I will keep it in secret at the moment, but in future we will definitely announce it together with the CTC as our friendly community. Of course.
Yes, of course. We're really looking forward to that as well. We'll be happy to actually push and promote this event as well because of the success from the Ramadan contest. I think it's very good. I think for us as well, we've been getting feedback as well from our community, CTC community in specific. They also talk about the because of the leaderboard that you guys shows in your website, because some other broker, when they show their leaderboard, it is not updated by hour, sometimes updated by week, so people cannot really plan out their contest entry. So having that in A markets is very advantageous for them to plan out their trade for the next month.
It's a big advantage because it's also a part of our conception and our philosophy to be maximum transparent and shifting the expectation of the fans and the followers of A markets by providing outstanding service. It's not just the word, this is the real case we're doing in product, in regulation, in reputation, in payment system, in the team, of course, who are joining us. It's all about the one DNA, about the philosophy of transparency, excellence products, and trust. That's why the transparent open leaderboard, it's also part of this story. because when you don't see your position and you don't know who are trading, of course you can be suspicious with the records how it's
people
real,
might think
people are not
it's
real.
being rigged.
All the people were real. Very soon we will announce our movie, our small short movie about ceremony of awards.
Oh,
How it
okay.
was
Alright.
done. Yes, so you will see these real people, their happy faces with the certificates and the
So it's not rigged.
money they collected. Yeah,
It's not
absolutely
somebody
true
from the
story.
team.
This is maybe your friends who already
yeah.
known by you. I hope you will see the familiar to you people on this video. So just waiting for the time it being protected. And of course, we are not stopping in terms of our technology
Okay.
upgrades. We have released our new version of local depositor software.
Oh, okay.
You know, it's
Alright.
very popular in Malaysia
Yes.
because people trust to the people from the community. That's why they are happy to use local depositor, local exchanger, or LD, how we call it, for their personal case to make a deposit and withdrawal with broker.
Yes.
That's why we repacked our front end and some kind of back end of our local depositor software. Now, any trusted partner who are really interested to be LD with the markets, he can grant and get the success by, of course, initial profiling, explaining the targets and his plans. So now it has very lucrative and friendly menu that allows you to make instant transfer for your clients before, or easily top up your own balance like LD, because it's like a payment system, we can call it. Also, you will be able to see your history transaction with the
This information is available for the local depositor.
Actually, any partner or any trader, anybody who really interested, he can claim for the presentation of this product. You can contact me or Iskandar or Amar, Basli, Zack, anybody. It's not officially published on the website, but it's not the hidden rules. It's just about the way how you can deliver this information. So people should know about it. It's mostly focusing on the partnership sphere. So of course, all partners who come into us,
Yes.
we can share this information for them.
Because it's going to be useful to them to plan out their team as well and network.
Yeah,
Yes.
sure.
And then I think it's a good news, especially for Malaysian community, trading community, because local depositor is actually very useful. People tend to want to use a local depositor because sometimes LD themselves, they do their own promotion. So for the client, they have their own advantages of
Exactly,
using
it's a good
LD.
synergy. It's a good business and based on trust and technology. That's the case.
I think a market is going on a different direction from compared to other brokers, because I've been seeing the trend for other brokers. They tend to reduce the usage of LD in Malaysia. They want to eliminate LD functionality, especially. So having a markets introducing new technology, new facilities for the LD themselves, I think it's very good news for the community.
Of course, for those who are really persuades normal conditions to grow, we allow to use the software, of course, with some kind of settings and conditions of the risk management. We also understand about it. But for those who want to grow with the stable company, with the clear reputation for the long term, I think LD, especially for kind of states, will be really comfortable to use. But despite the fact of this update, we also have update for the clients who really want to use direct payment gates.
Direct payment gates.
And you remember many times ago, I told you, Boboy, personally, that we are on the way of integrating FPX.
Yes, FPX.
So finally, it's done. We
I read the news,
completely finalized all the integration. We have released this payment method on our cabinet, so any client can choose FPX method and use online banking or debit or credit card with the instant deposit
So
on the account.
they don't need to wait a certain period of time. It's instantly
Absolutely. I
reflected.
personally, the guy who tests the system, I use my money and deposits, and the speed was immediate. It was instant deposit. But what apart from my point of view, FPX model, it's the system of security and stability.
Yes.
Because it's a truly local system belonging to Malaysian country, for example. Yes, so that's why the government and IT story is very similar to the local needs and to the local system who process your cards or online banking gates. So that's why we are proud to say that right now any clients can use this method. But of course, beside this, you usually give in wallet of the touch and go and do it now. Also, you can use crypto payments, other e-wallets that can be.
There are so many ways to deposit and withdraw your capital with AMarkets, which shows the effort that AMarkets trying to build with the community of traders here in Malaysia. So you guys make sure to check out AMarkets again for those who haven't had any accounts, who haven't registered with AMarkets. We do provide the link for registration here in the description below. So make sure to click the link to start your trading career with AMarkets. So and also you guys make sure to also follow AMarkets on their social media platform, Instagram, Twitter, as well as Telegram.
Yes, and now TikTok also.
TikTok as well. We'll be seeing a lot of Zack on TikTok.
Have our own channel. I'm sure it will be really full of interesting content related to the analysis, education, onboarding, just maybe some fun style video that also can be related.
These are all free. Everybody can access it.
Exactly, of course,
All right. Also, I would like also to talk about another recent news. I think it has been teased by Iskandar from the previous episode. Iskandar did mention about your upcoming IB development program.
Yeah,
I think it will be an offline event that will be organized by AMarkets. Can you talk more about it?
Yes, at the moment we are working hard with the upgrading of our IB model in terms of not only remuneration, but the attracting of the new generation of partner. Because, within any year, we moving fast and the audience moving fast respectively. That's why
the trends are changing.
We realized the interesting fact that right now, many partners are really comfortable to work with the CPA model because no need to wait for the big amount of lot volume to get their remuneration. However, if in case they have big amount of traffic, big amount of clients who can register and make minimal conditions, they will be able to get immediate payouts for themselves, immediate remuneration. So this is completely different model that was very popular and still popular, of course, in any countries like IB, lot volume partner, who get revenue based on spread sharing. In this case, we are trying to be more friendly for the new audience, for the new partner, with the new age, new generation, who really know how to work with the social media, how to collect huge amount of relevant leads, relevant registration. That's why at the moment our IT department dedicated for the IBs, it's a separate division, they work on this product to improve, because at the moment we have our CPA model already. It's officially announced, and you can find it on the website like a CPA webmaster. But in future we will improve this story more closer to the Malaysian market. But anyway, any partner can contact us and request for the condition for the existing CPA model and for IB partner or mentor, educator or LD or just the guy who conducts some roadshows. IB program, affiliate program, let's call it. Affiliate program is really huge right now, and it's still moving ahead. It doesn't stop anything.
So even those who started with CPA program, maybe just an influencer who do CPA with AMarkets, that they don't have any interest in becoming IB, but once they actually see the money that they can generate even just using CPA, there's a possibility to be converted into IB.
Absolutely right, because webmaster, he works from the internet, he collects traffic, but with the huge engagement, with the right settings and perfect content, he can organize good flow of the new leads. He don't care about education or onboarding. It's his business, and we respect it. That's why we're trying to be more closer. And like you said before, it's absolutely right, boy. Closer to the audience from the social media influencers. They are first one who can be really happy to test this system, because due to the big amount of traffic, they can collect outstanding amount of profit immediately because of the, let's say, FTD or minimal amount of trading activity. No need to wait until you reach, let's say, a specific amount of active clients with the 1 lot or 2 lot. You can collect your remuneration based on CPA very fast, much more faster than on IB model.
So I'll be expecting for this for the influencers who really want to learn more about how to become an IB. Will be interested to join your IB development program that is going to be organized soon.
Absolutely right. And right now we are working on the process of introduction of markets to this niche for the special community who are really work in the influencer industry. But we also careful in this case. Sometimes influencer can be the guy who doesn't know about trading nothing. He just
it could mess up some information. Yes,
and the industry knows many facts before when such kind of influencer compromise the reputation of the broker and compromise themselves. So we are careful in this case. We are sorting those who are really professional, who really understand how to trade, how to prepare content, and that's why we will be ready to remunerate them respectively with the same level of professionalism.
All right, so those are good news for clients and of course potential clients who are interested to join the programs, the affiliate programs, the CPA programs here in AMarkets. AMarkets are very committed. They are very open, and if you guys are interested, you can always contact them, contact Denis, contact Iskandar, and right away in the live chat you will be directed to the right person in order to learn more about this program. So moving back to Zack, okay.
Right.
I think let's move back to Zack. All right, so we're changing back to Malay. We're changing back to Malay. Reset balik. So Zack, tadi kita ada bercakap pasal analis, orang kata expertise Zack dalam memberikan analisa dan juga orang kata pandangan Zack melalui trading lah. Tapi seterusnya saya nak tanya Zack berkenaan dengan IB. So berapa lama Zack berpengalaman membuat IB?
2016 atau 2016.
So apa cabaran pada Zack mula-mula?
Dulu sorry, tak habis tanya soalan lagi. Minta maaf.
Saya rasa Zack dah boleh faham apa yang saya cuba tanya kan.
Macam mana bluetooth lah.
Zack dah macam
Sorry lah.
Okay, teruskan.
Pandangan saya nak relate daripada dulu dan juga sekarang. Dulu tapi sekarang kalau kita nampak comparison daripada sudut commission pun jauh beza. Okay. Dulu tak sebanyak sekarang ni lah, sampai 17, 15, 20. Dulu paling banyak pun saya senam
per lot.
2016, 2017 tak besar pun.
$6 per lot lah.
Ya, bawah 10 je dulu start.
Tapi itu pun rasa macam dah cukup kompetitif lah.
Betul. Dan kalau ada pun paling banyak saya dengar dulu 10 lah. Zaman kan. Paling 10 tu kira gah lah. Tapi dia kena ada, biasalah mesti akan ada target dia.
Certain tier yang dia dah
dia kena ada tier dia kan. And then compare pada sekarang ni, dulu most of trader, kalau nak kata kekuatan kepada IB, dulu most of trader diorang akan pergi lebih kepada education. Kalau sekarang dah lain dah. Macam berapa split lah? Dia dah tanya detail lah sekarang.
Betul. Kadang-kadang rebate yang ditawarkan pun
apa yang kita dapat ada kredit ke tak ada kredit support floating ke tak support floating. So macam saya cakap tadi, sama je jawapan dia adalah people now dah knowledgeable. Diorang dah lebih fasih berkaitan dengan sistem broker dekat Malaysia ni. So agak sikit mencabar untuk IB dan diorang kena create a new content lah. Okay, dan bagus juga sebenarnya benda ni. Tak adalah banyak sangat scammer.
Betul.
So kalau kita dah ada knowledge kan, so scammer ni tak boleh buat kerja. So benda bagus bagi saya untuk benda ni. Dan in fact benda tu lebih berbaloi sebabkan most of broker pun dah orang kata dah letakkan commission yang standard level is up lebih daripada 10.
Betul.
Dan sangat berbaloi lah sebenarnya. Dan cuma macam saya cakap, benda ni akan berbalik kepada, dan I think kalau tanya saya untuk AMarkets antara yang terbaik lah untuk dia punya dia punya offer kepada bakal-bakal IB kat luar sana. Kalau tanya saya, apa soalan lagi nak tanya?
So kira itu orang kata perbezaan dulu dengan sekarang lah. Betul. Untuk IB, sebab even pada saya boleh kata few years back pun orang masih lagi ada stereotype tak ada IB. Orang kata ni scam.
Sekarang
ni.
pun sama. Sekarang pun sama. Saya pernah ni cerita pengalaman sikit boleh
Okay,
nak cerita pasal IB ni. Saya pernah ada pengalaman dulu waktu sebelum sekarang ni saya kat TikTok. Okay? Sebelum ni saya dekat Facebook. Tapi zaman Facebook lagi toxic lah. Sekarang pun saya Facebook siapa yang lama dia tahulah, otak-otak ni dia tahulah kan. Tak boleh mengajar pun dalam tu.
Dekat Facebook.
Dekat Facebook tak boleh mengajar pun. Dia jadi macam ni. Tengah mengajar, kita orang tanya soalan ni, tengah mengajar kan. Kat bawah bergaduh. Viewer dengan toxic orang tengah bergaduh ni. Gaduh kat bawah ni. Komen banyak ni, viewer pun banyak kan. Tapi macam tak deliver. Because of macam tadi lah stereotype berkaitan dengan IBs yang masih bagi saya benda ni dia bukanlah kata kata susah sangat dan bukanlah kata senang sangat. Apa yang perlu adalah IB kena pandai untuk educate lah.
Betul.
So benda ni kena ada educate. Kalau dah ada satu bagi educate kepada yang tidak memahami, then should be good lah.
Betul.
Beza dengan dulu tak perlu benda ni. Maksudnya dulu sekarang ni kita offer sekarang kat sini macam ni kita bagi education. Sebab dulu orang pentingkan education berbanding dengan di start. Sekarang ni orang dah bukan, sekarang ni education penting tak, tapi dia kepada semua. Maksudnya detail dia tu. Ni ada berapa, ni apa, siapa educator kau?
Dia bukan education berkenaan dengan trading semata-mata.
Betul.
Brokerage punya knowledge pun penting juga.
Betul. So itu je lah. Kalau nak kata bab toxic sampai sekarang pun ada je kan. Tak boleh
di mana-mana pun akan ada haters.
Tak boleh lagi lah. Memang tak boleh. Haters is not always haters lah. Kita tak boleh lari.
Alright. So nak tanya juga, bila kita buat IB ni, ramai memang dah ada orang yang sedar tentang kepentingan IB, tugas seorang IB, tapi ada juga yang masih lagi tak faham kenapa orang suka tabuling. Register bersama dengan ni, tabuling, especially new trader lah. Mereka sebenarnya tak tahu yang bila trade diorang boleh layak untuk mendapatkan rebate. Betul. Mereka boleh dapatkan cashback.
Betul.
So kita nak tanya Zack lah, dekat sini alang-alang.
Okay, ni siapa yang tengok dekat dalam live ni saya bagi tahulah. Dia ada
apa
dua
tugas
kelebihan
IB dan kelebihan IB.
Dia ada dua kelebihan. Sometimes kelebihan yang IBs ni adalah IBs yang kita tengok pada community IB lah. Kalau new IBs ni mungkin dia susah untuk mendapatkan orang kata polisi antara dia dengan broker. Tapi biasanya kalau IBs yang ada community ni, kebiasaannya diorang ni dah dapat tawaran ataupun reward yang diberi khas untuk mereka saja kepada klien. Yang
diwujudkan khas untuk network mereka.
Betul. So benda-benda ni sebenarnya kepada new trader, biasanya kalau you guys nak dapatkan lebih reward untuk broker, mana-mana broker lah. So saya sarankan pergi kepada community yang diyakini. Maksudnya community yang memang kita rasa kita tahulah, tapi kena ada knowledge lah.
Established lah.
Dan orang berkata positif. Banyak, bukanlah kata tak ada negatif. Yang baik pun banyak orang kata negatif. Tapi kita tengok kepada average. Banyak yang kata feedback yang okay dan sebagainya. Semua benda kita sendiri kena survey. Kan? Tapi macam saya cakap, ada kelebihan kan, kenapa orang tabuling dan sebagainya. Satu kelebihan yang macam saya cakap, kelebihan ada communities yang tawarkan rebate dan sebagainya. Ada community yang lebih fokus kepada education semata-mata, dan ada community yang lebih fokus kepada cari duit semata-mata. So ada community yang just kau dah masuk lepas tu dia tinggalkan kau. Ada juga. So
yang penting kau trade guna link aku.
Ya, betul. So itulah saya cakap, benda ni dia kena well known lah kan. Dia bukan kata saya cakap ni boleh kata general lah. It's not about IB's life. Dalam business biasa pun it's normal. Betul. Benda ni terjadi. So kita sendiri kita nak beli barang bang, kita kena survey lah bang.
Betul.
Okay, takkan kalau kita beli harga barang kat Shopee RM2 kat luar sampai 200, logik tak? Logik lah macam tu lah, lebih kurang. So sama juga. Tapi contoh kalau kita tengok dekat website, reward dia macam ni, tengok dekat luar orang offer sampai 10 kali ganda lebih bagus pula pada ni, padahal broker yang sama. Tak logik. So kena ambil yang relevan. Bermaksud kalau kita tengok mungkin kat sini dia bagi offer macam ni, reward sekian. Lepas tu ada community IB seluar sana yang offer biasanya tak lebih dalam 20%, 30%. Kita boleh nampak dia punya jurang tu tak begitu jauh, tapi ada kelebihan dia.
Sebab dia logik lah, takkan dia nak offer terlalu tinggi.
Betul. Rebate sampai 100%, 100% support floating pula. Lepas tu kat dalam ni tak ada pula cerita pasal ni kan. Dia macam bila benda tu orang kata indah kabar dari lupa, ataupun nampak macam tak logik, which is you guys boleh double check, ataupun cara yang paling senang, semua broker ada live support, just go to the support and tanya.
Betul.
Itu cara paling senang. Betul ke? Kalau dia kata betul, memang ni ke nombor dia, betul, okey. Dan Okay lah.
Make sure it's, orang betul lah.
Betul lah kan. Betul kan.
Tahu-tahu sebenarnya orang tak wujud. Tak
So ini
pasal-pasal
tips
je.
lah. Tips untuk mengelakkan diri daripada terjerat dengan skema-skema.
Zaman dulu bila kita nak fikir satu trik ni, kita nak scam tu daripada segi broker ni sahih ke tak, benda simple-simple.
Betul.
Tapi sekarang ni even dengan IB yang kita register pun kita kena check betul-betul.
Betul.
Program yang ditawarkan, content yang ditawarkan, rebate yang ditawarkan. So tuan-tuan dan puan-puan, make sure you guys do your own due diligence berkenaan dengan hal-hal seperti ini sebelum memulakan anda punya career dagangan. Okay.
Betul.
So saya nak tanya juga pada Zack sebelum kita mungkin habis segmen ni, apa tips dan juga orang kata nasihat lah daripada Zack untuk trader-trader di luar sana yang dah lama dengan yang baru. Sebab yang dah lama ni ada juga yang datang kat CTC macam, saya dah lama tak withdraw asyik deposit je. So mungkin kata-kata semangat ataupun nasihat yang Zack boleh ceritakan kepada mereka.
Baik, apa sahaja ni kepada yang lama dulu apa sahaja yang kita buat, dia akan datang. Rezeki ni macam saya cakap, rezeki ni dah ditentukan. Kadang-kadang apa yang kita buat ni, everything kita ni knowledgeable, kita ada rezeki kita, maksudnya kita tahu technical lah sebenarnya. Silap dia tu dalam pembelajaran kita tu biasa, dan kadang-kadang kita boleh balik pada rezeki lah bang. Kan, kadang rezeki tu sampai lagi kan, benda dah buat tapi ada mistake juga kita buat. Kita dah belajar macam ni ada mistake. So benda tu dia berbalik kepada rezeki yang biasa kalau ustaz-ustaz ni cakap, kalau rezeki jadi macam ni, check balik lah. Kadang-kadang kita ada buat silap yang lepas, yang ni Allah tarik rezeki kita kat sini kan. Mungkin lah kita tak simpang lah, tapi mungkin. Tapi selain daripada tu, bagi saya cuba untuk belajar, dan saya sarankan, saya tak kata untuk you belajar kepada yang legend ya bang.
Tak semestinya.
Because kadang-kadang a new generation yang baru ni pun, diorang punya method kadang-kadang kita boleh pakai and logik akal. Selagi mana dia melibatkan SNR untuk technical, melibatkan SNR yang kita rasa memang boleh pakai, just improvise, should be good untuk you guys gunakan. Even saya pun belajar dengan newbie kan. Bukan newbie lah, maksudnya dia orang dah setahun 2 tahun, dia dah ada ilmu. Dan kadang-kadang dia orang improvise ilmu. Bagi saya, walaupun kita dah lama, tapi tak ada masalah pun turun untuk belajar. So sekarang ni walaupun dah 10 tahun sekalipun, still turun gigi untuk belajar. Sampai sekarang pun saya still belajar, cuma pergi ke advance sedikit lah. Kan? So ni untuk yang lama. Kalau rasa diri tu macam asyik tak boleh withdraw, bukan. Saya rasa dia orang withdraw bang. Cuma banyak withdraw, tapi banyak depo pada withdraw.
Defisit lah.
So maksud kata, sebab tu saya cakap benda ni dia kena give and take. Sometimes bukan kata dia orang, saya pun ada monthly yang kadang-kadang saya ada loss. Cuma kita boleh control loss tu. Maksudnya macam mungkin this month kita depo ni kita loss dalam 10%. So next month kita boleh cover lagi 5% loss. It's normal kan? Dalam trading, dalam business pun, dalam trading, dalam business pun ada bulan yang kita rugi, ada bulan yang kita untung. Betul lah. So this is back on kita punya live trading tu macam mana lah. So kena belajar balik lah, benda tu kena belajar balik. Even saya nasihat ni untuk diri saya juga. Okay. Dan kepada ni yang newbie ni, bagi saya benda yang paling penting adalah ilmu. Nombor kedua, tolong jangan buat loan untuk trade. Okay.
Ini macam speaking from experience. Are you speaking from experience?
No. Tapi saya pernah tapi ni YouTube channel lah, saya beritahu. Tapi betul bang, ada yang bebal-bebal juga bang, yang pergi buat loan sampai beratus ribu dan pergi buat untuk trade. Dan juga kena faham konsep on trading ni adalah, dia adalah increase your money portfolio. Betul. Adalah saving portfolio you. Bermaksud you menggunakan sebahagian daripada saving. Bermaksud bukan sebahagian daripada penggunaan seharian you guys. Duit untuk hidup tu, kalau dah tahu nak beli susu anak, still nak memperdagangkan tu, dah jadi judi dah tu bang.
Itu dah mendatangkan mudarat.
So benda ni macam saya cakap lah, you need to manage your money betul-betul. Dan saya tak sarankan untuk you meminjam, untuk you buat loan dan sebagainya, untuk you start untuk trading. Lagi-lagi you newbie. Okay, the second things is ilmu kan. Collect selama banyak ilmu kalau selagi mampu. Dan banyak dah. Dia tak macam dulu kita nak belajar kan, bayar. Macam zaman saya cakap betul lah, you nak belajar $600, $500, $1,000. In fact, benda tu sampai $1,000 pun ada. Untuk sekarang, fingertips bang. Betul. Google, Facebook,
YouTube, CTC FM.
CTC FM, semua korang boleh dapat. Just belajar dan apply. Itu saja kan. Belajar, practice make perfect. So saranan daripada saya, try untuk belajar untuk kenal apa itu forex trading, bukan forex lah, CFD trading ataupun anything sebab kita bukan cakap pasal CFD itself. Even kalau you boleh belajar ilmu ni for the macam-macam platform, as long as it's a historical chart punya part kan.
Betul.
So gunalah yang terbaik. Itu sahaja daripada saya. Panjang sangat dah ni.
Panjang tapi bermakna.
Lama tak gamai.
So ini antara benda yang kita boleh expect daripada Zack untuk social media platform market, especially dekat TikTok lah. Tapi apa yang saya boleh orang kata cherry pick daripada apa yang Zack share sebentar tadi, yang saya rasa paling menarik dan ramai selalu terlepas pandang, which is bila kita tengok trading ni sebagai satu perniagaan. Betul. Bila kita trade ni, dia macam kita buat bisnes. Macam kita run a business. It's not just macam main game. Selalu orang macam ada mindset yang macam main game tau.
Investment is actually a business.
It's a business. Okay. Kalau kita put on parallel dengan running a business, it's almost the same. Cuma kita tak ada orang kata physical asset lah. So nak juga tanya last betul.
Okay, silakan.
Apa planning Zack untuk konten-konten yang akan diberikan di markets?
Baik, for the time being, kita mengharapkan semua social media kita penuh dengan followers, dan apa yang kita boleh tawarkan daripada sudut edukasi daripada saya akan start daripada basic. Ni kita cerita pasal kedua part. Satu technical dan satu lagi adalah fundamental. Dan ketiga adalah knowledgeable lah. Maksudnya everything, dia bukan sahaja melibatkan trading itself, tetapi tentang kita ni yang nak trade ni kena prepare dulu. Okay, so benda ni kita akan beri daripada sudut motivasi, daripada sudut education dan sebagainya, daripada basic sampailah ke advance, step by step. Dan yang paling best, benda tu adalah percuma. Tiada bayaran. Janji lah tak ada bayaran. Janji lah.
Dan kita tak paksa pun nak register baru boleh tengok. Tak ada.
Dan kita tak paksa pun untuk you guys depo baru boleh dapat. Tak ada. Dia memang, kita memang bagi. Just follow us dekat kita punya media sosial. Dah ada dekat TikTok. Dan insyaAllah kalau kita dapat achieve 1,000 followers dekat TikTok tu, dah boleh start live lah.
Memang hari-hari Zack live lepas ni.
Ya, betul lah. Boleh belajar lah.
Boleh tengok FYP Zack. Okay, jadi itu apa yang Zack janjikan untuk tuan-tuan dan puan-puan, penonton dan pengikut-pengikut setia markets. Ini adalah janji daripada Zack. Konten-konten yang akan dibawakan oleh Zack, analisa terbaik daripada Zack. Alright, then let's move back to Dennis. Alright, so I have one last question, Dennis. It is actually inspired by this one comment that we get from one of our viewer. I think he asked in regards to your expansion towards other states in Malaysia, because he said that there are maybe people who are interested to know more about markets, but in the northern regions of Malaysia. So do you guys have any plan in terms of expansion?
It's a very good question. At the moment, we have several processes and ideas to expand the presence of markets, because our office located in KL. We have it in future, and in another case we'll make a roadshow.
Road trip.
Yes, I know it's a quite popular story in Southeast Asian countries.
Yes,
I did it personally, by the way, several years ago
in
Indonesia.
You do have experience with that as well. Okay.
Yeah, so I really think we will do it very soon, maybe in the next part of the year, in the Q3, approximately, maybe Q4. And I think, as you see, our team is grows. Every month we have some new updates and more
new team members.
So I'm fulfilled with the happiness to execute my obligation and promises for you guys, and you see it in real. So definitely, thank you for your questions, for your feedback and desires. It helps us to grow in the right way, because more feedback we collect, more ideas we will get to implement in future.
All right.
So as I told you before, base camps and some education classes plus road tour, road show, maybe
and also your
states.
Upcoming IB development program as well.
Yeah, of course.
Those that people, traders in general, can look forward to as well. For us here at CTC, we also are interested. Maybe we will be one of the attendees for your IB development program.
And maybe
we invited you guys every time.
And maybe on experience IBs and so on can come to any ideas and so on. Then maybe if we can bring on.
Absolutely right. Yeah. Our doors and our minds our budgets are open, guys, for smart ideas.
All right.
Let's do it together, but it will be a really true story with a true company, with the human faces and transparent product, reputation, team. I think this is time of such companies.
Yes.
Industry have so many negative cases before.
Yeah,
And it's time to
especially
keep
this year.
normal service. It's time, guys.
I think it's time for us to actually look for a legit company with legit operation and business model in order to trust with our funds, our capital, and to ensure longevity in terms of our trading career. All right. So before we close our segment, because we realize it's already an hour since we started, so I would like to hear, maybe Dennis, you have anything to put in last words in terms of the promotion, or any last word before we close our segment?
Well, actually, I suggest clients to test our platform from mobile application and web version if they like. Of course, it's an promotion for those who really love best execution and conditions. Feel free to use. Also, keep in touch to speak with our account managers. Definitely, they can surprise you with some private offer of the tradable bonuses and the cashback level depending on the client preference. We know how to surprise, so join us and increase your knowledge of A-markets, discuss the plans with us, come to us as a partners or LDs. Every time we are open, we are here, and we're ready to listen and deliver your idea to the stage of product.
All right, so that's it for our Trade Talk segment, episode 7. Thank you guys for watching with us. For those who might be a little bit too late tuning in into our live stream, don't worry, you can watch our segment, rewatch our segment here in YouTube channel for CTC FM, as well as our official website, tvctc.fm, where we have neatly compiled all of our segment previously with a market. So do make sure to check out our website as well, and do also tune into our next segment, which is Evolusi Saham Global with Abah Alfisal, which will be powered by A-markets. We will talk about index in general, as well as do a little bit of live trading with real account using A-markets platform. It's a good way for you guys to actually witness how efficient A-markets platform in use with live trading session tonight starting at 9 p.m. So do make sure to tune into that. So with that, I would like to close our segment today. Thank you for tuning in. Make sure to tune again next week with Trade Talk powered by A-market. So goodbye, guys. Take care and bye-bye.
Bye-bye. See you.